Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I hope you guys are doing great.
This is making and this kids and it's making it into bubble, mommy. Mommy, go to your head. Look, bubble.
Yeah, it's true, Baba.
This makes bubbles.
Hi guys, so we just arrived at Costco. I see this jewelry. I thought it was a great idea to share with you guys. These are great options for Mother's Day present. Yeah, I really like them and they're in a great price range. Also, they're so nice to give as a present for Mother's Day. And yeah, so I really like some of them, and as you guys can see, some of them are on sale as well. By the way, Mother's Day is coming soon, so yeah, this is a good time to think of what to get for your mother. Costco is a great option to go and pick your gift. I really like this jewelry, so I thought it was an awesome idea to share with you guys as well. I hope you guys enjoy. So let me know in the comment if you're someone who is getting present from Costco for Mother's Day. That one's on sale as well. It's 120 off. So nice. سلام دوستا، خوش آمدین به ویدیو امروز. I hope که همگیتان خوب باشین. یا ما امیال دلیک شور هستم. بسیار یک روز مقبول است. It's not very cold. به خاطر که شمال نیست. There's no wind. That's why it's nice. Yeah. بکن نشان بدم. I'm at the lake shore. It's around 1 p.m. Yeah, it's a bit chilly, so everybody's in the car. I just wanted to get out and just film a little bit for you guys. It's so beautiful.